Curmetoons. Aquatic life. Prawn. Prawns have almost transparent, curved bodies. Some types of prawn change color according to their surroundings. When in danger, they can rapidly dart backwards and escape. When growing up, their form undergoes dramatic changes. Next is angelfish. The angelfish is a type of tropical fish that is very popular in aquaria. Its long dorsal and ventral fins are very beautiful and look like an angel's wings. A mother angelfish sometimes carries some of her stray babies in her mouth and returns them to the rest of the group. Meet the spiny lobster. The spiny lobster is the largest and most powerful crustacean. It has sharp antennae and pincer-like chelicerae, with which it captures and crushes its prey. The spiny lobster is a poor swimmer, so it crawls around crevices on the seafloor. Here comes a butterfly fish. Just as its name suggests, the butterfly fish looks like a beautifully colored butterfly. There is an eye-like black spot on the end of its dorsal fin, which is used to scare away predators. The butterfly fish lives in tropical oceans and feeds on coral polyps. Next is clawed lobster. The clawed lobster has a pair of large claws, which it uses as powerful weapons for hunting prey. Moving about on the seafloor, it uses its giant claws to catch any small fish, shrimp, and bivalves that come its way and puts them in its mouth. Discover the surgeonfish. The surgeonfish is named for the sharp, blade-like spines on each side of its tail. When disturbed, it will pop out its razor-sharp spines for deference and lay them back again. When the danger has passed, it feeds mainly on algae. Here's a cute crab. Crab has very hard shells with a flat abdomen, a single pair of claws, and 8 legs. Their knees bend outwards, so they can only move sideways. When in danger, crabs will naturally shed their limbs and regenerate them again after a period of time. Scallop. Scallops, a member of the family of bivalves, resemble an open fan in the appearance. They feed on plankton. When attacked, they expel jets of water to propel themselves backwards to escape. Meet the goldfish. Goldfish have evolved from crucian carp. Some varieties have bulging eyes, fat bodies, and big tails. They are beautiful in color and shape and highly prized as pets. Here comes the starfish. Just as its name implies, the starfish is usually star-shaped, with 5 arms radiating from a central disc. It has very specialized feeding behaviors. Its stomach can be everted to wrap around food and then pulled back into position after digestion. The suckers on its tube feet help the starfish to stay on rocks when there are big waves. Last is the nautilus. The nautilus, with its large shell, is usually found deep in the sea, where it is most active at night. Similar to octopus, the nautilus uses its tentacles to catch fish and eat them. It is one of the oldest forms of life in the sea and is regarded as a living fossil. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.